Some babies go home in a car seat, others go home in an urn, or are buried in a cemetery. Going to pick up our baby from the morgue, from the funeral home. Going to pick up our baby's ashes.
Look at you in the short sleeves.
Give me a second.
Okay.
God, I do have my coat on there. Shoot.
Feel good in here. I can literally take a nap in here.
4. Here, I'll take it out.
Oh, this, you never seen this one before?
No, it's beautiful.
Yeah.
It's absolutely beautiful, but I've never seen it before.
I ordered it from
Not in person.
Yeah, okay. Get what you're saying.
I've seen it
in the
but
books.
It's prettier in person than it is in the book,
Mm-hmm.
you know? And then all the other little ones, which Dennis was so...
Trying to put it in.
Those are challenging.
Because they're so little.
They're so tiny, and there's one in particular that...
The one with the
the little heart, because to try and get into where the little heart is to get the cremains in there is like a challenge.
Mm-hmm.
And he doesn't have teeny fingers, so...
Oh, we appreciate him. Please let him know. Thank you.
He went, yeah.
Oh, that's the gaming one for our son. Yeah. That one was probably challenging too because of the shape of it.
Well, but this at least you have a little more to grab.
Oh, okay.
Mm-hmm. The other one, it's the little heart and the bigger
to hold
heart.
it.
They're always challenging for us, but we persevere.
Thank you.
I'll just run up the stairs one more time.
Sorry.
That's all right. We don't have gym membership. We have stairs. And I go up regular. So, I mean, up at Notre Dame. So they have little spaces to put cremated remains. But like at All Faith, it's like this is sitting out in the cemetery.
Mm-hmm.
So it's
a niche.
A niche.
Niche.
Little French. All right.
Okay.
So I can put this in his record. All right. Now
I'm not taking a picture. I'm doing a video. Look what we have to show you. Look what came home today. Look. This is Lightning's ashes. Oh, you gave him a kiss.
He's inside of here.
Yeah.
Making a heart. Yeah. You like it?
Okay, we're gonna light a candle. Can we light some candles now in honor of Lightning and Asha and Belle?
Yeah, and wait a minute.
Okay. Uh-oh.
Wait. It's high up now. It's so high up. I even can't reach it. Yeah. This like the bank. See, this like the bank. Dude. See, that's like the bank. That's
Look
like
up
the
and say
bank.
cheese.
Cheese, chewy cheese, chewy cheese, chewy cheese. Look at my guitar, look at my guitar. When again, no.
You were so silly. Oh, logic.
Okay. Wow. out my PlayStation 1? I go wear that tomorrow to school.
No, you can't wear it to school.
Why?
Because we don't want you to lose it or get it messed up when you're on recess and
I'm
in
not.
the gym. Let's put it on. Let's see.
Hold on, buddy.
Dude, stop.
I'm gonna put it on for
Don't
you.
touch it. I can put it on. Just don't touch it.
Hey, you need help putting it on. Be nice.
It's mine.
Your
Hold on,
first
turn around.
necklace.
It's just bent.
This is your first necklace, chain, whatever, something that you can wear around your neck. You ain't never wore nothing around your neck, really. Besides a whistle. Let me see. Turn around. Can I see?
Wow.
What's that?
I got a
PlayStation
PlayStation
joystick controller.
Yeah.
Let me see. Let's take a picture. Just look up. Look up.
Chewy dog.
You're so silly.
I'm not.
What it say? Let's see. What is it? Move your fingers, honey. Miss Little Bro Logic. You gotta move your fingers, honey. Move your fingers.
Say that. Let's continue again. Let's continue. Say it again.
And it says, Miss Little Bro, Love Logic.
Yep, I'm Miss Little Bro.
Little Bro Lightning.
Yep. Dude, Papa.